Within hours of fertilization, the cell inside the egg divides in two. Both of these then divide, making 4 cells. Then 8, 16, and so on. Except it's not that straightforward. 70% fail within the first 6 days, before the woman even knows she's pregnant. You made it against the odds. Your cells managed to stay alive and went on to create your body. In some cases, on rare occasions, one embryo becomes 2 humans. Around 1 in every 250 early embryos will split, growing into near replicas of each other. Identical twins. The twins started out life as just one fertilized egg. But sometime in the first 12 days, their single embryo split in 2. Although they are identical twins, they aren't completely identical.
We actually think we're mirror image twins. We fold our arms the opposite ways. Our hair parts the opposite way. It's even like when we're diving, the first foot I put on is my right foot, Cow's is the left foot. Identical twins actually come from 1 egg, and yeah, that splits into 2, and non-identical twins come from 2 eggs. So the way we see it is like we were actually 1 person, and we kind of just split. So we're like 1 person in 2 bodies.
Being an identical twin certainly has its perks, but becoming one also has its risks. Occasionally, a dividing embryo fails to separate completely. Brothers Ronnie and Donnie Gallion are a stark example of what can go wrong. Within hours of fertilization, the cell inside the egg divides in 2. Both of these then divide, making 4 cells. Then 8, 16, and so on. Except it's not that straightforward. 70% fail within the first 6 days, before the woman even knows she's pregnant. The dividing embryo must complete its split within 2 weeks of conception, or it never will. It's not a genetic condition. What happened to Ronnie and Donnie could have happened to anyone. Places where Ronnie and Donnie are joined together were determined by which cells of their early embryo remained in contact